Hey guys, it's Deepica. I hope you had an amazing September. Today I'm going to be sharing my monthly favorites with you guys. There's zero unfavorites this month. There's nothing that I really discovered that I really don't like, so it's just favorites. Can you guys please subscribe to my channel? I always say that at the end, but I was told by YouTube it's better to say in the beginning of the video. Subscribing to my channel and hitting that little bell situation and liking this video, I'm learning now more than ever that how important that is to the algorithm and all the YouTube web of things. So it would really mean a lot to me, and I just wanted to tell you guys that so you realize how much it helped people like myself who do the YouTube thing. So the bell, subscribe, like my video, it would just mean a lot. Okay, my spiel's done. Let's get to the video. For my first favorites, I'm gonna talk about something I talked about last month, but I'm so upset that I lost the footage from last month showing you what it actually looked like on my skin that I felt like it was worth redoing in this month because I love it that much. And it is the Thrive CC cream that has SPF in it. It's amazing blur technology, and I just feel like it has buildable aspect to it. And actually last month I said I was golden. I'm actually more of a golden tan. I'm kind of actually something in between the two of them. What is that noise? I really hope that you guys can hear me right now because there's some crazy weird noise happening right now. I don't know what that face is. Please don't meme it. Anyways, this formula I'm still really impressed with. Everything about it, SPF, the amount of coverage it gives me. I'm not wearing any concealer today. Listen, I got dark circles. I use color corrector. I use concealer a lot. At night, I'll go in, I'll do the most, but during the day, less is more for me, and I kind of have just started to not care as much about my dark circles. I just think that society has made it way bigger of a deal than it really is, and there's moments for both. But this I feel gives me enough coverage. I'm not saying you don't see a little bit of the dark circles under the eye, but it's enough for daytime to give me a nice blurred effect, and I hope you guys can actually see it this time because that footage will not go away. Mark my words. Also, do you like my shirt? I do too. The one thing about this is that it does crease on my face. I have drier skin, so for somebody with oily skin, TBD whether this will work well on you because it definitely gives you an all over glow aspect to your skin. So I can only speak to my skin type, and I would say that this is awesome, but it does crease. And that takes me to my next monthly favorites, which is this Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette from MAC. And this is the shade Medium Dark, and it is one-stop shop. I use this yellow under my eyes. I use this orange, sometimes when I'm trying to correct, you can see I have grayness here and I didn't color correct, so you can kind of use that to kind of warm it up. I also kind of take this yellow and put it all over my face, not just under the eyes because it's a good yellow. And then what I usually do typically is just sweep across all three and do a contour around my face. I just love when my life is easier and everything's all together in one, and these colors are great for my skin tone. As expected from MAC Cosmetics, let's be real, that's not surprising. They're prettybomb.com. But the other product I have on today is from TINTED Cosmetics. It is an incredible brand. All their lipsticks, their eyeshadows are really just you can tell it's women of color that is behind this brand. You can just tell, you know what I mean? The colors are so thought through, perfect for fall, but also just for life if you're a woman of color. Really nice warm undertones to it that just work really good for my skin. Every single shade in here I use. I think this is a massive great investment, and the pans are bigger, so you're getting a good bang for your buck, you know? I'm actually wearing this shade right here, but I purposely did that to show you because I feel it's the most intimate, the darkest shade. But my day-to-day, you can tell it's been used a lot, or these two. But I'm telling you, every shade in this, you won't be disappointed if you have someone with my complexion and skin tone. What I do, because as you know, your girl does not know eyeshadow, is I take this Smith brush 235, which is absolutely a must if you're not good at, actually all their brushes for eyes are incredible. All I ever do is take one color and put it all over my eyelid, as you guys know. So I just take it and smoke it out. Obviously it's not perfectly smoothed out on the edges, whatever, you guys know. That ain't my thing. Let me live. So there's that. Next, I want to talk to you guys about something that I've discovered, and essentially it's literally all Shiseido makeup. I've had a great relationship with Shiseido. You know, they took me to Tokyo. That was about their skincare stuff. They came out with a new cream. But then I was telling you guys how obsessed I am with the SPF, but I did not expect myself to like the makeup from them, but I really do. And across the board with everything, this liquid liner they have is super precise point, and it's really good if you want to just tight line. For me, I'm gonna put on fake lashes later, and I like to take this because it's so thin and do it at the very rim of my eye and then put the Ardell lashes on. I don't like lashes with a thick strip. So this really hugs the border of your eye. Also, this mascara is actually incredible. Like, it gives me a lot of length, actually, I would say. But the one thing I would say of anything, if you want to get a Shiseido product, this Kajal Ink Artist in the shade specifically Tea House 01, especially for somebody like myself who is very intimidated by doing under eye smoke, it makes it so freaking easy. This is great for an all over base on the eye, and for someone with my skin tone, I feel like it's like my perfect, like, oh yeah, like I wear eyeshadow, but like I don't really wear eyeshadow, and it's just the perfect shade. I don't know how to describe the shade except for that it's the perfect shade. This brush they even have for a nose contour, like I used it today for a nose contour. It's so good and perfectly angled. Shiseido. And for my brows, I use this Thrive Cosmetics Infinity Waterproof Eyebrow Liner in the shade Serena. I feel like every week I'm telling you guys a different product from Thrive. I don't get anything from them. Of course, I'm friends with the founder, but like, I have no obligation. If I didn't like a product, I would not. I actually told her that. I was like, look, if I don't like your stuff, I'm not gonna talk about it. But their mascara, their buildable blur, and now this like has become my go-to. The shade is really good to fill in, and the other spoolie side is really great to like kind of like take that product and like fluff it out. It is slightly a darker shade than I usually use because I usually use a more neutral color. I like the formula. And last, but certainly not least, is my girl Melissa Alatorre came out with a collection with nude sticks, which is one of my favorite lip products in the game, and eyeshadow crayons actually too. And she came out with this incredible set that she curated, and it has a bunch of eyeshadow products inside of it and lip products. And specifically right now, what I am wearing from this is the Purity Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil. I just love multi-purposeful everything, as you guys know, duh. And so everything from Nude Sticks I feel like is really great. It comes with a sharpener inside the little box. So you're getting a really great collection of colors from eyeshadows and lip. And I'm so proud of her. And you guys, she's sold out on Sephora. She said they will be restocking. They're selling it at Cult Beauty also in the UK. Shout out to her for doing the damn thing. This is her first ever collab, you guys. Please support her. She deserves it. I can't tell you, in the influencer world, you know, I've met everyone in the spectrum, and of everyone, I would say that she is the realest, most truest friend in my life and has been there for me through so much. She actually came over this past weekend and helped me set up my like lighting. So if you guys have noticed that it's improved, shout out to Melissa Alatorre. It was all her. The girl works harder than anyone I know, and Nude Sticks has such incredible products. All the products are linked down below, as always, in the description if you guys want to check them out, potentially buy them, maybe go on your next Sephora trip, whatever you want. And yeah, that's my monthly favorites. I really don't have just unfavorites this month, which is pretty dope. So, oh my God, it's like sweaty. I'm like, I just told y'all how it was like not hot out here, and I'm over here like sweating. As I always said, I like to end my videos with some highs and lows of the month. Highs of the month, I would say, is I am doing sort of a detox in my life. Like I told you guys last month, I got a treadmill. I'm getting back on my fitness game. I am cutting down on my wine. Your girl loves some wine. And since I've moved to LA, I've had zero routine in my life, and it's really impacted me mentally, emotionally. And I now am really taking the time to recognize that my work and everything I do and all these projects I'm working on are nothing unless I am truly happy myself. And so I've really been taking the time to focus on that. I feel like for a while I was forcing videos for you guys that I didn't really want to do, and now I'm doing once a week because I'm doing so much more with tinted stuff that like you guys are just gonna see more and more of. And thank you all so much for supporting that, by the way. Of course, as always, the links is down below if you aren't already supporting it, and it would mean the world if you did. Thanks so much, it would. But yeah, I feel like I've been focusing more on videos I really want to do, and sometimes I felt pressure to just do videos. You guys know, like you guys are smart. You know when the energy isn't there, and my energy is coming back because I'm finally creating routine in my life. I've made it so Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I go into a workspace that's outside of my home. I work 9 to 5 and I focus on tinted. Tuesday, Thursdays are my meeting days and my filming days. I have to like advise you to do that because it game changes your life. Negative things, negative things, negative things. No negative things. It's been a positive month, honestly. So that is my monthly favorites. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know down below what it is. You know, instead of products, let's talk about what went well for you this month, and let's get the positive vibes going. You know, I want to thank you guys for being that way, because I feel like for the most part I get nothing but positivity on my channel, and it really like helps and impacts my energy. I read all your comments and it just like makes my day. So thank you, thank you, thank you for all the love and support, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.